What is up, you guys? It is your boy PrettyBoyFloyd, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to tailor the waist of your jeans. My techniques and ideas are coming from another video that I have linked down in the description. There's actually two videos that you guys can follow along with, but I just want to make one of my own and show you guys how you can take in the waist of your jeans. I ran into some complications. First one being is that when I took in the waist of my jeans, my pockets were actually folded, so I had to remove the pockets and then re-stitch them back on, and you can see what I'm talking about in this video. So I took the pockets completely off as they were folded in because I took the waist in so much, and I had to re-stitch those back on. So one thing that you are going to need for this tutorial is a sewing machine, and you will need the same color thread as the material, if not the same color, something close to it. Do not get anything white or anything that's too different from the material because it will stand out. You could maybe get away with black for these. Definitely play it safe and get like a blue dark denim thread like I have right there. And yeah, so after I know like how far in I want to get them, I took some safety pins, made sure they looked good, put them back on, and then I went back to my sewing machine and I sewed where I wanted it to be, and I put the pants back on, re-stitched the pockets, and as you can see, it looked great. So there is some misalignment in the stitching, but that's okay. That's totally normal. That's gonna happen, and it's barely even noticeable. Plus, a lot of us don't wear shirts tucked in. They're usually over the jeans, but if they are tucked in, it's not even that big of a deal, really. It'll just blend in and you will not even see it. So yeah, so here's the finished jeans. I actually took in the legs too. I tapered the legs on the inside as well, so I had to stitch up the holes a little bit and then go on the inside of the jeans and taper the jeans. So yeah, here's a little before and after of how the jeans look. They're really big. They're waist 30 and I needed a waist 28. And seeing that I can't go to the tailor right now because of the coronavirus, I needed to figure out a way to do this because I spent like $120 on these jeans. So I was not about to waste any money on these jeans or like wait for the tailor to open up. So I decided to do it by myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you guys out. This was a real quick tutorial and I wanted it to be really not that complicated, and it's very easy for anybody to do and follow along to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.